Yeah, hello. This is Adeboye from Lagos. I was quickly going to take a look at the problem you made mention of, Finley. So, just a minute. I'm going to go and I'll download the portable version again on my system. I'm just downloading it right now to try and get to see what the error you're talking about is. Um, Download. So, please, just a minute. Let's download it. Waiting for run anyway. Okay, so this is it. It has downloaded. Um, just I'll upload the background real quick. Consoles and let me take say this for instance, and I'll just resize it 2600 to 1800, and then I'll come here just to shrink the screen. Okay, so I'll add a grid manual. I'll add a swell manual. And just to check out the stop issue, I'll just go ahead and add a stop here. So you see, stops actually get added. The stop just got added now. That's the stop I just added, and I've selected that stop for Great Manual. I'll change the name. Let's say open it. The display name I'll make open the app, the app person it. And I'll leave the all this the rank name. It's important I give it a unique rank name because Upwork uses that. So I'll just call it Op the app. That's just like an ID name that Upwork will use. Now to want me to select the folder for this, so I'll just select a folder inside my computer. I'll select where sentence mostly actually has like a open the person it and add that in. So now that is added, let me just view this to make sure. Okay, so it shows properly. So I'm just going to go ahead and export the project real quick, and I export to my desktop. Select folder. So it says it has exported then. Again, I would come here and go to organ installation package. I'll copy this and open up Upworks installation package, which would be right here, local C, Upwork, and organ installation packages, and paste right here. And the second one would be for the organ definition itself. So I'll copy this, copy, and come into Upworks custom organ definition folder and paste right there. So now I open up Upwork and try to load this. So I'll continue. New, I would say cancel and go to design tools, load custom organ, new organ. That's the name of the organ I just pasted. Okay, and load. So it loads perfectly without any issues. If I were to select the open the person it also sounds. I can hear the sound. So in fact, what I'm going to do right now in this video is to just make this into a complete sample set, like a sample set I can install. So just to show how it's done. So now in order for me to do that, Upwork has already compiled this into the Upwork code. So the main Upwork ODF, now that it has taken this, I'll close this and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So once I close this out now, let me see. Just a minute, let this close up. Okay, so now if I go to Upwork and I go to Upwork samples and organ definition, you can see now it shows new organ Upwork. So this is the file that Upwork generated, or the custom file that Upwork created for this our organ. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this now. I'll copy this. I'll come to the desktop, to my desktop, and where I have organ definition, instead of this, I would delete this and paste the new one that Upwork created for me. I'll paste it here. So now what I would do is now select these two folders and I'll open them with WinRAR, and I'll say add to archive. So very important, choose RAR4 format. Let me actually look at these sample sets to see how they are named. Just a minute. So if I go to my downloads, I have RAR4 somewhere, and sorry about this. Okay, under compressed. So comppkg.upwork. Okay, comppkg. Okay, so I'll just call this new organ dot comppkg dot upwork, and it has the .ra there. Again, it's very important to select RA4, and I'll click OK. So now it has done this. So now we'll go to Upwork again. I'll uninstall any traces of the old sample set. So cancel, and then I'll come here and uninstall completely. So you have new organ, yes, and I'll take uninstall. Okay, yes, and now I'll go to file, install organ or temperament. I'll go to desktop and I'll select this. Okay, 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 and now, okay. So as you can see, we can quickly and easily even install this organ that I just created. So every single time I can share that file with people as a distributable file that they can distribute and use to play this sample set. So that was just something I wanted to show as an extra addition that you can do quickly. Again, I just did this for um, Upwork 4. You can do it for Upwork 5 and other versions of Upwork 2, but it will just differ because Upwork 4 uses that WinRAR 4. A different version of Upwork might use a different version of WinRAR, so maybe WinRAR 5. Yeah, but WinRAR 4 is specifically for Upwork 4. So just let me know again if you have any issues. I just wanted to take care of this problem for you real quick. Again, any more issues, just let me know. Thank you.